like it's in the wrong place. It's probably cause it's on my sleeve. Keanu Reeves, speed of light, avoid a beer or just be retarded. We're only looking forward, but where we're going, we have no idea. Nowhere to go, but hysterical. It's getting warm in here, I set the world on fire. It's born to be an arsonist, just one spark and it's split, but I'ma still get dark on this shit. Told you I leave my mark on this bitch. War machine, but you forced me in the corner. I'm sorta have something for your ear. And in the course of the assault, torture gets more severe. Go to war with me, you end up looted. Timbuktu, I send it to a tent on look like Kim Jong-un. End up ruining your career. But when all is said and done, and at the end of my run, I just in rhyme block, forever young, make time stop. Will I ever fall off? That day'll never come to the pine box. Bitch, fuck you. I'm better than I ever was. To the bottom drops, hope it never does. But I'm not gonna sweat it cause this world food is already fucked and I'm on top. So everyone's good.
欢迎新进直播间的朋友，晚上好！喜欢点点关注，点点赞，大家灯牌。
2小时556千卡，心率每分钟158次。
你要是开了记得说。好的，没问题，一定。我高低支持你开业。不过我不找你兼职啊，我不找你过来兼职，找你过来品尝，让你过来免费品尝。因为我从来没有干过这种工作。我只干过一个工作，就是跟模特有关的，拍摄有关的，这种就是传统的行业我没做过，所以正好问到了你做过那么多，所以我就有一点了解。主要品牌效应他讲对，我觉得现在做餐饮就是这样，要么一上来你就一炮而红，要么就是直接被 pass 掉了，没有说让你缓慢的那种会很慢，到最后也不知道能怎么样，反正很难。现在昨天刚好 中高端基本品牌垄断，还得是品牌效应。对，你说的对。是吗？我还真没喝过这品牌，老看见有卖的。Manner 还可以，我觉得 Manner 还挺好喝的。我第一次喝 Manner 就在北京喝的，这儿没喝过。我不是私教大晚上呢，私教不允许你自己练呀，就是自己爱好锻炼，喜欢锻炼，练线条，练肌肉。但我不理解为啥那么贵。星巴克这个价格还能接受，我怎么觉得星巴克不好喝呀？星巴克萃出来的我感觉还没有自己家里咖啡机的好喝呢。我特别喜欢喝风味的咖啡，所以在外面基本上我就喝风味不好喝，悄悄的。你悄悄的说不好喝，可能我个人口味吧。我喜欢喝醇厚那种的，油脂丰富的。不喜欢喝就是烟熏味特别重的，带一点就是中烘啊。所以我家里都是要调配的咖啡豆。对，星巴克就是出品稳定，要不人怎么玩大企业连锁品牌呢？是吧？全球连锁。酸味苦味调配不好难喝死。我还可以找到了均衡的比例，我不会买特别酸的，会买带一点风味的，比如说什么柚子焦糖什么什么的，燕麦风味饼干，调出来让你喝的那种真能喝出可可那种味道。其实你跟你感觉聊这么多，你老说是你兼职就为了吃，你看你能说出这么一大堆来，不是你也学习了。但是就为了吃才去，那首先你得能吃会吃，所以你才能说出来。吃都没吃过也没吃上，也不知道是什么味儿，你说对吧？就是奔着吃去的，就是爱吃。你肯定是金牛座。 狮子，猜错了。7月份的尾巴。
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters. They're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off taught, they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me out. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to believe. When everybody wants to be king, yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns. We're all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me